Whoa! Today in the house we have something exclusive from Samsung. This is their all new Neo QLED 4K TV guys, 2023 model. If you people remember, just a couple of days ago we actually went to Bangalore to attend the launch event of the same, and there I told you okay, I'll definitely be getting this TV to my place and we'll be doing like a special unboxing video, right? And there you go boys, our TV has arrived and I am like super excited to unbox and show it to you people in this video. This is like one of a kind TV guys, and main highlights are its gaming features. This TV literally packs like a 4K 144Hz high refresh rate, and also you're getting auto low latency mode, VRR support is there, FreeSync Premium Pro, game bar feature, and many more to count. But main highlight is along with this TV now, for a limited time period offer, Samsung is giving their 44,990 rupees soundbar absolutely free with this model guys. So I'm like pretty excited to talk about all of its things and features. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Our brand new Neo QLED 4K TV from Samsung came in this sort of box packaging. As you can see, very simple sort of packaging, just mentions Neo QLED on the front, and along with the TV, delivery guy also gave this free wall mount kit also for the TV. It's a VESA certified Slimfit wall mount, so your TV is all set for wall mounting also at your place. Keeping that aside, let's get started with the unboxing part. So as I've mentioned you, Samsung has launched like a couple of variants in this Neo QLED 4K TVs in the Indian market. There is QN85C, 90C, 95C. Today in the house we have their all new QN90C, that too their 50-inch 4K TV variant. So as soon as you unbox it, in the package we get a TV stand guys. Look at this, very good quality stand, and also some installation screws as well. Some paperwork, just make sure to read that. A mains cord for the TV, and this is your TV remote. It's a special solar powered smart TV remote, and I'll definitely give you a closer look and talk about this at a later part. And lastly, in the package you get this slim metal base for the TV stand, very heavy metal block, and as a sleek and brushed aluminum sort of finish. That's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally take the TV out of the package and give you like a closer look and talk about the design, build quality, and all of that. So there you go boys, our very first look and initial impressions at Samsung's all new Neo QLED 4K TV 2023 model. That too, this is the 50-inch variant QN90C. Oh my god, look at this TV guys. Initial impressions looks very beautiful. I mean, it has like a super slim design. I'll definitely give you like a closer look and show you the side profile also. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly set up this TV, install the stand, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright, unboxing was done last week itself, and I've been using this TV since then at my home, and today I'll be sharing my complete review and experience on this model. There are so many points I'll have to talk about. It's gonna be very exciting video, so make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let's talk about the design and the build quality part. Samsung's Neo QLED 4K 50 QN90C features Neo Slim design and looks quite beautiful, especially from the front. It has a three-sided narrow bezel design, and on the bottom you're having little bit of chin, but again thick. It looks very good because it is covered in entirely metal frame sort of design, that too in like a brushed aluminum sort of finish. On the bottom right corner you can see a small Samsung logo, and below that you've got all TV control buttons like power button, menu, volume up and down, and all of these buttons are like very easily accessible. Stand of the TV is also like designed very beautifully guys. I mean, look at it. One large piece of metal plate on the bottom definitely looks elegant, and you know what, it kind of looks like a big sized gaming monitor to me, especially because of the whole design and also its gaming related features, which will be coming and talking about in a moment. If you look at the side profile, TV is like super slim guys compared to a lot of other models in the market, hence they're calling it as Neo Slim design. And by the way, I'll just give you like a quick look at the rear profile also and show you all the available connectivity ports at the back side. So this is how the back of the TV looks like. Talking about the build quality of this TV is top notch. It's like a mix between metal and plastic. The entire frame, the bezel is made of metal, whereas the entire back panel is made of like polycarbonate in a brushed metallic sort of finish. And coming to the connectivity ports, you're getting plenty of ports over here. 2 USB ports are there to connect external storage drives, 4 HDMI ports are there, and all of these support 4K 144Hz signal, but only the third HDMI port supports EARC. And on the bottom you got a LAN port and and an antenna port as well. So moving on, here's how the home screen on the TV looks like. And you people know, right, most of these Samsung TVs are powered by their Tizen Smart operating system and feature so many smart features and smart things integration. We'll definitely come there and talk about that in a moment. So before we directly jump into the home screen and talk about the software related features, I'll just quickly play up some video demos, YouTube videos. Just have a look at them, and then we'll first talk about the display and the panel quality, because that is like one of its main highlights, right? Just check out these clips. Today I'm a man on a mission. Lately I've been getting so many comments asking like, Vimal bhai, can you build us like the cheapest or maybe like most affordable RTX 40 series gaming PC in 2023? And guess what? Challenge accepted. That is what I'll be doing in this video. Okay, you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, initial impressions when I checked out this TV, I viewed like variety of content, guys. Movies, web series, YouTube videos, HDR10 plus content. It was like mind blowing, guys. Like really impressive picture quality. First of all, let's talk about the display. The model we are checking out today, as I've told you, is QN90C. This is their 50-inch 4K HDR10 plus Neo QLED TV and supports like 144 Hz refresh rate. So it's got like crazy gaming features as well. If you talk about the detail, there is excellent amount of detail. Now come on, native 4K resolution, that too from Samsung. There is nothing less you can expect over here. Crisp and clear detail, either it be web series or any sort of movies also, guys. You'll have like plenty of fun watching content over here. On top of that, the TV is powered by Samsung's quantum matrix technology with quantum mini LEDs. So these mini LEDs offer like precise and accurate backlighting control. So you will get like excellent amount of detail. Either it be like the darkest scene, brightest scene, you'll be like super happy with the content over here. And apart from that, you're having like a quantum dot layer, right? With quantum mini LEDs, you'll get like 100% color volume and up to like 1 billion color range, guys. So color volume, color accuracy, everything well like on point. And on top of that, this is one of the first TV to be like Pantone validated. So very accurate color reproduction is there over here. Local dimming is also supported, plus contrast levels, all the black levels, everything were like on point and pretty much satisfactory. And coming to the brightness of this TV literally blew my mind, guys. Like already Neo QLED previous TV was also like super bright, but this is like next level, I would say. The brightness of this TV is almost like 2000 nits, and as you can see, it's also anti-reflective, very minimum reflections on the TV screen, guys. So wherever you use this TV, in like even in bright lighting situations in your living room also, you will have no shortage of brightness on this panel. Viewing angles are also nice. It has like wide viewing angles, and you might get some questions about how is the 4K upscaling performance, right? So this TV is powered by their neural quantum processor 4K, and that takes care of your AI 4K upscaling as well as real depth enhancing also. So even if you're watching like your regular set-top box channels or maybe like low resolution content, not to worry, it does a good job with the upscaling and produces like amazing picture quality. On the overall, now you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display quality on this TV. And coming to the sound, audio is also like quite special on this particular TV. Our variant of the 50-inch features like a 2.2 channel setup which can produce around like 40 watts of output and supports Dolby Atmos. Q Symphony support is also there, and also supports Samsung's OTS Lite as well. OTS stands for like object tracking sound, and it gives you like a virtual surround sound sort of effect, and totally you'll get like a 3D surround sound experience without any external home theater setup over here. Audio quality was very good, guys. I've watched like a couple of movies, web series, and I was like totally blown away. On top of that, you're having so many options and settings in the audio section. You can set it to like amplify mode, and that will totally eliminate the need of a soundbar only. See, if you're using this TV for your bedroom purpose or maybe like a mid-size room, right, I'm telling you the audio experience is so good you would not need an external soundbar unless you're looking for something like a real 5.1 7.1 Dolby Atmos experience, right? You would not need for an external soundbar. So it supports Q Symphony also, I've told you, right, Samsung's technology. So if you're going for like Samsung's Q Symphony soundbar, it can enable Q Symphony, and the TV and the soundbar will sync together and will give you like a much more realistic audio quality experience. So that is like totally next level stuff. Now comes the fun part, guys. Let me talk about gaming experience over here. This TV has like crazy gaming features you might have never seen on any other TV. First of all, you're getting like 144 Hz high refresh rate, that too at 4K resolution. On top of that, it supports like auto low latency mode, VRR support is also there, FreeSync Premium Pro also. Combine all of these, you can expect like very less input lag and a buttery smooth gaming experience over here. In fact, I've actually played a couple of games by connecting my PC to this TV at 144 Hz refresh rate and was like blown away by the gaming experience, guys. Like super smooth and realistic. Keeping that aside, this brand new Neo QLED 4K and 8K TV support Game Bar 3.0 as well, which offer like extra gaming features. First of all, you're getting something known as minimap zoom and has like virtual aim point also, aspect ratio settings, especially if you're connecting a PC, and lastly, motion accelerator turbo pro. Minimap zoom is a pretty nice feature, I felt. A lot of games have this small mini world map to the lower left or right corner, right? You can actually enlarge it and view it in a separate split screen mode on the TV. Like, how cool is that? You can easily access it via Game Bar, but keep in mind minimap zoom works only when gaming consoles are connected. Second highlight I found is you can also get virtual aim point as well on this TV, which is like super useful while playing FPS games. So gamers are gonna have like a blast playing games on this TV. By the way, I forgot to mention, you can access this Game Bar on this TV by long pressing the play pause button on the remote. Hey, we are almost coming to an end, right? So let's quickly jump into the software section and talk about the built-in apps and features. And wait a second, I haven't shown you the remote control, right? So this is Samsung's new QLED 4K TV remote. Beautiful looking remote, compact, stylish, and definitely looks premium. You have plenty of buttons on board, like all your OTT app shortcuts are available. A unique volume and channel rocker is also there. And crazy thing is, it's a solar remote. Yep, you heard that right. You don't need to install any sort of batteries over here. Just expose it to sunlight for some time, or maybe even like ambient light in your room also works, and that's it. You're all good to go. And yes, you do have a microphone as well on the remote for Alexa and Bixby voice commands. Anyways, coming back to the software part, this is how the TV's home screen looks like. I've told you, right, this particular TV is powered by Samsung's Tizen Smart OS and has so many smart features on board, guys. I'll be coming there in a moment. To the left, you have like the tabs and category section where you can easily go to the search panel, check out your connected media options, and below that you have the connected devices settings. From this is where you can actually access all those smart things, features, camera experience. I'll be coming and talking about Samsung's Slimfit Camera accessory also, and lastly the settings. So at the top you have all your applications that come installed on this TV. Even though it's powered by Tizen, you are having everything that you're looking for on this TV. YouTube is there, Netflix is there, all your OTT apps like Disney Plus, Hotstar, Amazon Prime Video, everything is built in. Now going down, you can check out all your day-to-day content. You know, this keeps on changing as per your usage and your interest basically. And if you can observe one thing, guys, performance of the TV is also like very good. The overall UI, navigation, transition between apps, opening and closing, everything feels quite smooth and fluidic experience is what I can say. So let me just quickly head over to the connected devices and basically talk about all the smart things and smart features you'll find on this TV. So first of all, you're getting your smart things integration as well. So smart things is like an all-in-one hub and solution from where you can directly control all your Samsung gadgets and electronics. For example, on the home screen, as you can see, I've got a couple of Samsung devices at my home, right? Like my refrigerator, washing machine, AC is also there. I can control all of these devices from the TV only. Like very convenient, I would say. And apart from that, you're also getting this camera option, guys. So once you connect that camera to the TV, you can use it for like video calling purpose, Google Duo, or maybe like snap pictures and save it in your camera. Plenty of functions and features, guys. Pretty nice, I would say. But one very interesting feature I found is, as an alternative, you can use your mobile phone's camera camera as a replacement to that Slimfit camera, guys. You simply need to connect it to a SmartThings app on your phone, and that is pretty much it. Just simply pair with your TV, and now you can use your phone's camera on this TV and do your video callings, meetings, conferences, and stuff like that. And apart from that, the TV also has like smart IoT sensors as well built in. It supports light sensor and camera sensor. So basically, the TV can sense like light changes in your surroundings environment, and it can automatically switch on your smart lights in that room, guys. Like, how cool is that? That option is also possible. And coming to the camera sensor, if you have that Slimfit camera connected to the TV, right, it can actually detect intrusions of people. Maybe you're not at your home and somebody comes into your room, somebody sneaks into your room, right? TV can detect that movement and give you alerts on your phone. So coming to Wi-Fi, the TV does support dual band Wi-Fi. It supports 2.4G and 5 GHz network. Let me just quickly head over to the settings and show you what sort of features and settings are available on this model. These picture and sound settings are very easily accessible using your remote control. Only dedicated shortcut button is there, and you have a couple of picture modes to choose from, like standard, dynamic, echo mode, and a special filmmaker mode is also there, which when selected will display content or whatever movie that you're watching the way it was meant to be by the director. Going to the expert settings, plenty of options are available. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, color, tint, and picture clarity settings. Basically is like your motion compensation settings. It adds like artificial frames in between and makes your content very smooth, like soap opera kind of effect. And similarly in the sound settings also, you have like a couple of sound modes available. Coming to the expert settings, here you can adjust all your HDMI ERC mode, like you can set it to auto and stuff like that. In the network settings, you can access your dual band Wi-Fi settings, and basically like your software update, Apple AirPlay settings, wireless casting, everything can be toggled from over here. Well, that's it, our video on Samsung's Neo QLED 4K 50 inches QN90C TV. It's a really good TV for the price. I'm not exaggerating, guys. Like, it's a full-on entertainment package. You're getting premium look and feel, beautiful display, Dolby Atmos powered 2.2 channel speakers on board, and top-notch gaming features. Especially love that 144Hz refresh rate. Samsung is giving a crazy offer where you're getting their premium sound bar worth 44,990 rupees absolutely free with this TV. The TV also has like an introductory price offer starting at only around 1,32,990 rupees. Later it's gonna be around like 1,41,990 rupees. Right now is the best chance to get this package. Links for that are available in the description box below. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything over here. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.